Learning AI involves a combination of theoretical knowledge and practical experience. Here are some steps and resources to help you get started with learning AI. Basics of mathematics and programming. Understanding mathematics, particularly linear algebra, calculus, and probability, is crucial for AI. Additionally, proficiency in programming languages like Python is essential for implementing AI algorithms and models. Online courses. Numerous online platforms offer AI courses for beginners and advanced learners. Some popular platforms include Coursera, Udacity, edX, and Khan Academy. Look for courses that cover topics like machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. Books and tutorials. There are many AI books and tutorials available that cater to different levels of expertise. Books like Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Geron and Artificial Intelligence, a Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig are highly recommended. Practical projects. Hands-on experience is crucial for mastering AI concepts. Work on practical projects that involve data analysis, machine learning, and neural network implementation. Platforms like Kaggle and GitHub are great resources for finding AI-related projects and repositories. Online AI libraries and frameworks. Familiarize yourself with popular AI libraries and frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. These tools make it easier to build and deploy AI models. Participate in AI competitions. Engage in AI competitions on platforms like Kaggle, where you can solve real-world problems, learn from others, and showcase your skills. Join AI communities. Engage with AI communities and forums to discuss ideas, ask questions, and learn from experts and peers. Reddit's r/machine learning and Stack Overflow are popular AI communities. Attend AI conferences and workshops. Attending AI conferences and workshops can provide valuable insights into the latest trends and research in the field. Learn from AI researchers and experts. Follow AI researchers and experts on social media platforms, such as Twitter and LinkedIn, to stay updated on the latest AI advancements and research papers. Online video lectures. Many universities and AI researchers offer video lectures on YouTube and other platforms. These lectures can provide in-depth insights into specific AI topics. Remember that AI is a vast and evolving field, and continuous learning and practice are essential for staying up to date with the latest developments. Start with the basics, gradually build your knowledge, and stay curious and open to exploring new ideas and concepts in AI. What are the main techniques used by AI? AI utilizes various techniques to perform tasks that require human-like intelligence. Some of the main techniques used in AI include machine learning, ML. Machine learning is a subset of AI that involves training algorithms to learn patterns and make predictions or decisions based on data. It can be divided into three main categories. Supervised learning. Algorithms are trained on labeled data, where the correct answers are provided, and they learn to map inputs to outputs. Unsupervised learning. Algorithms are trained on unlabeled data and learn to find patterns and structures within the data. Reinforcement learning. Algorithms learn to make decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Deep learning. Deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple layers, deep neural networks, to process and learn from large amounts of data. Deep learning has been particularly successful in tasks like image and speech recognition. Natural language processing, NLP. NLP focuses on enabling computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It includes techniques like sentiment analysis, language translation, named entity recognition, and text generation. Computer vision. Computer vision involves teaching computers to interpret and understand visual information from images and videos. Techniques include object detection, image classification, image segmentation, and facial recognition. Expert systems. Expert systems use knowledge-based rules and logical reasoning to mimic human expertise in specific domains. They are designed to solve complex problems by using a set of rules and facts provided by human experts. Genetic algorithms. Genetic algorithms are inspired by the process of natural selection. They use the concepts of survival of the fittest and random mutation to optimize solutions for specific problems. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic deals with uncertainty and imprecision by allowing objects or variables to have partial membership in a set. It is useful in decision-making processes that involve vague or uncertain conditions. Robotics. AI techniques are applied to robotics to enable machines to perform tasks autonomously and interact with their environment intelligently. Knowledge representation and reasoning. This involves designing ways to represent knowledge in a form that can be processed by AI systems and using logical reasoning to draw conclusions based on that knowledge. Swarm intelligence. Swarm intelligence involves modeling collective behavior observed in natural systems, like ant colonies or bird flocks, to create algorithms for optimization and problem solving. These techniques, among others, form the foundation of AI and enable computers to perform a wide range of tasks that require human-like intelligence and decision-making capabilities. The selection of the most appropriate technique depends on the specific problem and the nature of the data available for training and testing AI systems. If you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.